Happy Monday, Realtors. Welcome to another great week here at C21 Circle. I wanted to just first say, hope everybody had a wonderful Easter. I want to thank the crowd that we had come out Friday for our breakfast and learn. What a great time that we had. Congratulations again to Rich Simonetti and Adel Halaka for graduating from the Step Ahead Boot Camp Academy. Now, all that means is that Step Ahead for Life is next for them. And let's talk about what's going on moving forward. So Monday, 10 o'clock, we are going to get moving into objection handling success. So join us all. That's all groups except for group 24, who we're going to meet again at 11 a.m. And we're going to be doing the final week, which is introduction to working with buyers. 12 o'clock, the agent service coordinators will be working with tools with you guys. Tuesday, we will have, and I think I'm going to be in New Tampa, but just check with me if you want to do this in person. We're going to have script mastery at 10, prospecting power at 11. 10 o'clock Wednesday, digital mastery here in Avila, followed by our video seminar. We are extremely excited to have this video creation workshop. It's 11 o'clock. Come ready to film your business card, film something about your listing, narrate something about a town or something going on. Let's get these ideas going and let's get in front of that camera and get you guys out there. This is what it's about. It's about getting in touch with people digitally. Video's the way to do it. Thursday, Todd hosts contract training at 10 a.m., followed by Prospecting Power Hour. And of course, 11 a.m., we have the morning grind, followed again by Prospecting Power Hour. Have a great week, everybody. If you need anything, my Outlook calendar's up to date.